Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2016 Ford Focus Titanium X. This is the top of the range model and comes with the 1.5 turbo diesel engine and manual gearbox, which is Euro 6 compliant, returning up to 74 miles per gallon, and road tax is free each year. The mileage is just over 47,000 miles and the car comes with full service history. This colour is called Deep Impact Blue and really does make the car stand out from the crowd. As we have a look inside, on the Titanium X, you have many features, so a few that I can read out to you. First of all, you've got the multimedia screen there in the centre for your satellite navigation, DAB radio and Bluetooth. Below that you have your climate controls and in the half leather seats, which are partly electric and also heated. And the car also comes with automatic headlights, wipers and cruise control, just to mention a few features there. As we have a look at the back, rear passengers, got a good amount of legroom there, and I see the car's got pockets in the back of the front seats as well. And opening the tailgate on the Focus, you have a good sized boot there, nice and deep with the split folding rear seats, and the parcel shelf is still in place, and you also have a spare wheel underneath the boot floor as well. Externally, the car comes with daytime running lights, the 17-inch multi-spoke alloy wheels, front and rear parking sensors and a colour reversing camera. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty which you can extend up to 3 years, and we offer finance from just 9.9%. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, please give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.